Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile Global without a constant VPN on your Jio Sim. Many players face connectivity issues, but there are specific steps you can take to improve your access. We will explore methods to optimize your network and bypass common restrictions, aiming for a smoother and more enjoyable gaming session. This guide will help you get into the action. One effective method to potentially bypass certain regional blocks is by configuring your device's private DNS. You can set it to a public server like 1.1.1.1 or 8.8.8.8. This often helps in establishing a more direct connection to game servers. Access your phone's network settings, locate the private DNS option, and input the chosen address for improved connectivity. For many players, a common workaround involves using a VPN for just the initial game launch. Connect to a VPN, open PUBG Mobile Global, and wait until you successfully reach the game lobby. Once you are in the lobby, you can disconnect the VPN. This method often allows you to play without the VPN actively running during your gameplay session, reducing latency. To ensure the best possible experience, always keep your PUBG Mobile Global application updated to its latest version. Regularly clearing your game's cache can prevent data conflicts and improve overall performance. A strong and stable mobile data connection, especially on Jio, is crucial for smooth gameplay. If you continue to face persistent issues, a clean reinstallation of the game might be beneficial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.